Welcome to the channel. This week in tech, where the hottest stories from the world of AI come together every Saturday. And boy, do we have a jam-packed episode today. Apple's about to make some major AI moves, Microsoft's AI dominance, and some breaking news that's reshaping the entire AI game. It's going to be a wild ride. So let's dive in. First, Apple is pulling off a strategic AI leap, and you won't believe what they've got planned. Rumors are heating up that the upcoming iPhone 17 or 18 might have a dedicated powerful chip focused primarily on AI. We're talking pure processing power for machine learning tasks. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This week, we got some early but intriguing looks at iOS 19, the possible name for Apple's upcoming mobile software, and it is painting a picture of a much smarter iPhone. Think Siri that can actually hold a conversation, instant real-time translation built right in, and powerful on-device AI tools that don't rely on the cloud. And here's where things get really interesting. Apple recently acquired a company called Conexon, and nobody seems to know what it does, which is classic Apple. But we suspect it might be related to how AI could level up the Photos app, Face ID, and even Imsage with AI smarts. What's cool about this is that Apple is doubling down on its privacy-first approach to AI, building these tools to work locally on your phone rather than sending data to the cloud. So what does this mean? Apple is stepping up its AI game in a big way, promising some seriously smart upgrades to the iPhone. Can't wait to see what else they have up their sleeve. Now let's shift gears and talk about Microsoft. They're busy taking AI domination to a whole new level. In a move that's shaking up the tech world, Microsoft has officially built Copilot AI right into Windows 11. This isn't some fancy preview or beta version. No, it's available for download for all eligible Windows users, and here's the deal. You can use Copilot AI for free for basic stuff like drafting emails, writing documents, or creating presentations. But if you want more advanced features, well, you'll need to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro. Now here's a quick breakdown of what this new integration means for you. First off, getting started is super easy. Just hit start. And Alt-Shift and voila, Copilot appears ready to assist. Now when it comes to pricing, Microsoft is keeping it simple. For those already rocking Windows 11 Pro, you'll get access to Copilot's full potential at no extra cost. But for folks still on Windows 11 Home, there's a catch. You'll only get the basic version of Copilot, which is limited to 1,000 messages per day. To unlock the full experience, you'll need to upgrade to Pro. Now let's see how it works. Once you summon Copilot, you'll find a familiar interface offering various AI-powered services like composing emails, summarizing web pages, or generating images based on your prompts. What's neat is how it's designed to complement Windows' need to schedule a meeting. Copilot can help draft an email and even suggest times based on your calendar availability. Planning a trip, Copilot can pull up maps, flights, and hotels, helping you organize everything. And that's just the start. Microsoft is also bringing Copilot to other parts of Windows like File Explorer. Imagine AI-powered suggestions for your files or even help with data entry. It's pretty cool. And remember, this is just the beginning. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI is still going strong. This week, we saw new AI features rolling out in Teams and Office 365, making Microsoft's entire productivity suite even more powerful. But not all is sunshine and rainbows. There was a bit of a speed bump this week when Microsoft had to delay its new recall feature. It was supposed to help people remember past conversations, but got pushed back due to privacy concerns. Looks like they'll be addressing it in an update next month. So what does this all mean? Microsoft is going all in on AI, integrating it into every aspect of Windows and its software lineup. And while there are some growing pains like with recall, it's clear that Microsoft is committed to making AI work seamlessly for us. Now let's talk about something that will blow your mind. The AI industry is shaking up faster than you can say algorithm. First up, we've got Google and OpenAI going head-to-head in an epic tech showdown. Google's Gemini, a massive AI model that can generate realistic videos, Text and images is now battling it out with OpenAI's latest GPT-5. And let me tell you, both sides are pulling out all the stops. Google's Gemini boasts an impressive 35 trillion parameters, putting it neck and neck with GPT-4 and GPT-5. But OpenAI isn't backing down. They're claiming that GPT-5 has an astronomical 100 trillion parameters. That's 3 times the size of Gemini. Talk about a heavyweight AI matchup. But it's not just about numbers. Each model has its own unique skills. Google's Gemini excels at understanding context, making it great for generating coherent and relevant responses. On the other hand, GPT-5 is a storytelling powerhouse, crafting detailed narratives with vivid descriptions and engaging plots. The battle of the AI titans doesn't end there. Google has a new player in the ring, the Palm 3 API. This tool lets developers use Google's large language model to build their own applications. The best part, it's available to everyone, but OpenAI isn't letting them steal the spotlight. They've just launched ChatGPT for Education, a special version of ChatGPT designed for teachers and students. It is tailored to meet the needs of the classroom with age-appropriate responses and support for different learning styles. And in a surprising move, Elon Musk's AI has gone open source, releasing its foundation model called Grok to the public. This means anyone can use Grok to build their own AI applications. But wait, there's more. Meta isn't left out of this AI face-off either. They're making their Llama 3 models available to developers worldwide. These models were previously only accessible to researchers, but now anyone can use them to explore the potential of AI. So what's the takeaway? The AI industry is heating up with competition and innovation. From massive AI models to specialized tools, each company is bringing its A game, and it is exciting to see how they are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Here are 4 global trends shaping the AI world that you should keep an eye on. First up, AI startups are on a funding frenzy. They've raised over $20 billion in the second quarter of this year alone. That's more than the previous 2 quarters combined. Investors are pouring money into AI, recognizing its incredible potential. Next, AI as a service platforms are helping small businesses automate like the big leagues. Companies like Anthropic are making AI tools accessible to everyone, leveling the playing field. Third, governments worldwide are introducing AI governance and regulatory frameworks. They're working hard to keep AI in check, ensuring it benefits everyone. And finally, conversations around AI ethics are becoming more urgent than ever. From deepfakes to job losses, we're tackling the tough questions about AI's impact on society. And that's not all. This week we've got some quick bites and headlines that are worth your time. The Apple Watch is getting smarter with AI-powered health alerts, helping users monitor their well-being like never before. We've got leaks revealing Microsoft Surface AI Edition laptops with Copilot built-in, blurring the line between hardware and software. And Amazon is investing big in robotics and AI-driven fulfillment systems, shaping the future of online shopping. So that wraps up this week's top tech stories from Apple's AI takeover to Microsoft. As productivity revolution and the AI industry shake up. If you want to stay in the loop and be part of the AI conversation, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon. It's your direct line to the coolest AI updates, and let us know in the comments below which headline surprised you the most. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and join us again on Get.TechAcad as we decode the future together.